Hello, this is Karin. I'm going to explain how to create a page in WordPress. Here we have got admin section where we can add new pages. Here we can write the title of the page, whatever we want to write. Suppose I am going to create a page about contact us, right? After that, I am going to add some text contact us on email ID, fashionfab@gmail.com, right? Whatever details we want to give on this, we can add a link from here. If we are going to attach any link, we can design our page from these all the tags like bold. If we want to do bold of some of the text, italics, bullets, we can add numbering, we can add parentheses, alignment we can change, and we can write it here. And suppose we want to add under some parents folder, there are already pages, there is one sample page attached. If we want to add this page under this, we can add it under sample pages, and right now we can publish it. I am not going to attach it under some pages. We can add some featured images if we want to add it in. Suppose I want to preview my pages. I've already only added contact us on email ID, right? So we can publish it. Here it goes. Here is the URL of the contact us pages. We can click on it and add. Suppose it's not showing on the. We can add it to the menus. Here it goes, menus option. It's not recording on the screen. Here it goes, menus option. We can add under this. From here we can add menus. Suppose I am adding sample home menu, primary menu, primary 1, menu 2, menu. It's taking time to load. Here it goes. I can add it automatically to add to the pages or top menu. I am taking as contact page and sample page to add to menu. This will be automatically added into my primary 2 menu. Here it goes. I am going to save this menu. The page I have created in created in pages section, that is contact us, it will be automatically added into my menu page. Thanks for watching.